Hello, in this video let's talk about long division. So we are going to divide 2415 by 5 using long division. So long division, we write this number inside, which is 2415, and the 5 out. So we start by looking at this number. Is 2 divisible by 5? If not, then you go to the next one to make it 24. So 24, we want to divide it by 5. It is possible. We shall get 4 times. It's better I write it above that digit, in this case the second one, and we multiply this 4 times 5, get a 20, then subtract. So when I subtract this, I get a 4, and I bring this digit down, which is 1, so I have 41. How many times does 5 go into 41? That is 8 times. So 8 times 5, we get a 40. And when you subtract that, you get a 1, and bring this 5 down there. So how many times does 5 go into 15? It goes in 3 exact times. So when I multiply 3 times 5, it will give me 15, and subtracting that, it will give me 0. So the answer to that is 483. That is part A. Let's look at part B. Part B, we are dividing 25,416 by 3. So to divide that, again, we set 25,416. Since 2 can't be divided by 3, I immediately go to the next digit to make it 25. So 25, how many times does 3 go into 25? It goes 8 times. That when we multiply 8 times 3, we get a 24. And subtract that. When I subtract 25 minus 24, I get 1. Then bring this next digit down here and ask yourself, how many times does 3 go into 14? 3 goes into 14 4 times. So 4 times 3 will give me 12. Then when I subtract 14 minus 12, it gives me a 2. And I bring this down here. So that is a 1. And so we are dividing 21 by 3. 21 divided by 3, we get a 7. 7 times 3, we get 21. So when I subtract that, I get a 0. And I bring my remaining 6 down there. So 6 divided by 3, we get a 2. And when I multiply 2 by 3, I get 6, and when I subtract, I get 0. So this one becomes our answer to the question. That this divided by 3, we get 8,472 as our answer. Thank you.